Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday morning, and today I am starting the day off by doing my laundry, which is going to consist of my bedding today because every Sunday I wash my sheets. I am using the new Lysol detergent along with some Downy softener. And today we are going to get started by making, I'm starting my day a little late, but we're going to make some Salisbury steak. And this comes from Aldi, and we really like it. It is really delicious. The gravy has a really good taste to it, and honestly, it don't take me long to cook it. It takes about 50 minutes in the oven. I make 2 pans, and I also make my father-in-law a plate as well. And it's liked by everyone. I made some corn and some mashed potatoes to go on the side. As you can see here, I am peeling potatoes, which kind of takes a little bit of time, but it is well worth it. So before you see my face in this video, I do want to warn you. Fall has simply disappeared here where we live. It has gone away and summer has returned. And it is 85 degrees. Too hot. It has been so hot the last couple of days. And I have been doing my very best to get upstairs and to put my room and my stuff back. But it is so hot that, this house is really tall. We have a 3-story house. So just so you know, heat rises and it is hugely hot upstairs. So with me telling you this, I am going to warn you that I look like a hot mess in this video. When I went back through to look at my video content, I thought to myself, what in the world happened to your hair? And I remembered I got super hot upstairs while I was working, and I just kind of balled my hair on the top of my head and clipped it. I didn't even think about what it looked like. I was just trying to get the work done. So this video is going to be a very real video. It's oddly enough, I seen a fellow YouTuber today talking about these individuals that clean their houses on YouTube, and they look like they just came out of the salon, and they have like dresses on and they're all dressed up and look glamorous while they are cleaning the house. It's really not a real life thing, is it? I mean, I've been cleaning house a long time, and I can tell you, I don't think I've ever cleaned house in a dress, let alone look like I stepped out of a salon. Here you are seeing me put my sheets into the dryer with a Bounce dryer sheet. I really love Bounce. I haven't bought Bounce in forever, and if you've seen my Sam's Club mini haul here recently, you would have seen that I had bought some Bounce dryer sheets, and I had forgotten how good they smell. They really do smell really good. There are just a few things that really make my day, and some good smelling laundry really does it for me. There are my potatoes cubed in water, and they're boiling, and I am making some corn, and that other pot on the right hand side behind the potatoes, I am making some iced tea. And I'm taking my Salisbury steak out of the oven, and we're going to get this plated up and eat because we are hungry this afternoon. I also made my father-in-law, which I know that I mention him a lot around supper time on my videos. He lives right next door, and my husband's mother passed away about 3 years ago. And so if I make a nice meal, or if I have enough, I will always, most usually, make him up a plate, and I will yell at him and tell him to meet me out back by his door, and I give him a plate of food. He was very happy to see this Salisbury steak. Apparently it's one of his favorites, which I didn't know. So I am making up the mashed potatoes. I am doing it the old-fashioned way with a potato masher. I'm doing butter, a little bit of chicken broth because I had it on hand, salt and pepper, some evaporated milk, and that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. And I just mash until they're nice and creamy and the consistency that I want. And then we're going to serve it up with the Salisbury steak, and everybody is happy. If it's got mashed potatoes with it, I'm happy. I don't even care what the other food is. I just want those potatoes because that's one of my favorites. Here's my plate. I did not make myself any corn. My husband and his dad ate the corn because corn does not like me too well. So here I am. I'm finally upstairs, and this is what I'm talking about when I said that I look like a hot mess. What is going on with that hair? I had to laugh at myself when I seen this footage. But you guys are like, oh, do cleaning videos and keep it real. Well, you don't get any more real than this. And you know what? I have to laugh at myself because you know what? I'm not only videoing, but I'm cleaning, I'm cooking, I'm doing all the things. Here in a second, you're going to see that I'm moving furniture. And here we go. We're moving it in. I'm probably making faces while I'm doing it, so if you notice it, I apologize, but yeah, there we go. Real life, moving some furniture. This is a vanity I have had for years. This is where I do my makeup and everything, and I have not been able to sit at this thing for a couple of months because I've had my room just tore upside down because of the fact that I painted in there. I also want to say that if you notice the black duct tape around the air conditioner in the window, that is because we got a really bad storm the other day and it loosened the adhesive that was there, and all I had was black duct tape. And for right now, that's going to work because it will not be long that air conditioner will be coming completely out of the window for winter, because we will be having some cold weather hit eventually. I look like I'm bald on one side in this video. I have to laugh. I have to laugh at myself. So I am wiping my vanity down inside and the back, and now I'm putting my drawers in. I had already, whenever I moved this piece of furniture originally, I had already vacuumed out and cleaned out the drawers and discarded things that I didn't need anymore. So I had went through all of my makeup, my bathing suits, my hair accessories. The middle drawer holds a lot of jewelry. Not that I have any jewelry. I have a few odd and end pieces, but that's about it. But yeah, I'm putting my drawers back in and I'm getting that all done, which it will be so nice to be able to sit at my vanity and use my makeup mirror, because it really does help me see when I'm putting on my makeup. And I'm wiping off the front of the drawers. And then I think I had a sticker or something that was stuck to the top of the vanity, and I got that off. And then I'm going to bring in my makeup mirror as well as a vase that I keep setting there. Now I'm running the sweeper again. I don't know what it is, but the lines in the carpet make me very happy. And now I am Tarzaning a table over my head out of the room. We discovered that table just was not going to work in the room because it was way too large and it took up just too much space in the room, and it was too crowded. So we're going to go with something smaller. The chair that was originally in our room, they looked about the same size as the one that we moved in here. But apparently this one is a little more bulky, but that's okay. It works out fine. I got the chair situated in there so that it would work. And now I'm putting the clean sheets on my bed and the clean pillowcases and my comforter. And that way tonight when I get ready to go to bed, and believe you me, I will be ready to go to bed. when I get ready to go to bed and I take my bath and I put on my clean jammies, I'm getting into a fresh, wonderfully smelling, clean bed tonight, and I love that to start the week. I just sleep better knowing my bed's been washed, and I love that. So I'm just going to tell you that my video here is getting ready to come to a close. The ending of this video is actually going to be me filling up my peel container for the week. But I did want to say, I hope you all really enjoyed seeing this video. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you be a part of Heidi's home. Give this video a thumbs up. And again, I apologize for looking like a hot mess, but we keep it real here at Heidi's home. And I just apparently let you all know that I am a real person living a real life in a real home. Not a lot of glitz and glamour here, but you know what? I love all of my subscribers. I love the fact that you guys follow me and watch me, and I can bring you real content as often as I possibly can. So once I get my bed made, I'm going to clean my mirror and I'm going to be done with my room. And then you are going to see me here fill my pill case. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. And here we go. That I have my camera popped up in a weird spot, but I am filling my medicine container for the week. And so this is my blood pressure medication. This is the only prescription I'm on. I feel very blessed that I have pretty good health. Alright, and now, let's see. This is my, whoa, don't need that many. This is my turmeric right here. And turmeric is a little expensive, but it's worth it. I've noticed a big difference in how I feel taking it. Oh, I dropped one, but that's okay, I'll get it. This is fish oil. Sometimes they stick in the bottle. Fish oil helps my dry skin. And I don't know how it works, it just does. I also attribute it to the fact that my hair grows immensely crazy fast. Alright, let's see. This is brand new. So I'm opening it. Take the lid off. I just bought these. Ooh, they smell good. Ooh, I like that. These are B12s. I'm gonna have to read on these. These are a little bit different. Some of these you allowed to dissolve under your tongue. So I don't know if this is one of them. I'm assuming the way this looks, probably so. B12 is really good for energy, and gosh, that smells good. That's so funny that that smells good. I don't know if I'll have to show you the bottle here in a second. I bought them at Sam's, and I did a Sam's Club mini haul video a couple days ago. So this is my D3. This is a new bottle. these do not smell that good. But D is really good for immunity. And I don't even know if you can see that, but it's just a little tiny tablet. The only thing is, these are very translucent. So sometimes they will stick inside of the pill holder. And I've been known to accidentally think I took it, but it's tucked inside of the pill holder. So you want to be careful that you don't miss it. So we got that. And that is it. That is all. That's how long it takes me to load my pills. Not long at all. And it just sits here next to my chair where I have my coffee in the morning. And it's all ready.